to ask you some things about the sales funnel today. What do you
Okay,
think is the best practice to attract customers with sales funnels? Can you explain a bit, please?
let's say you are a lady, right?
Of course, can't you see that?
So how you attract a guy?
By just being myself.
Exactly. That's the best way to attract client. But we need to be a bit careful. We need to be a bit clear. Sometimes we fall in the trap of sales funnel. Sounds very sexy, but some people misuse. It doesn't seems like it's sales funnel. It's like a sales
It,
trap.
it sounds like fishing. You go fishing, you have to
Ah, yeah,
pay.
same thing. Funnel start with a wide open mouth, narrow shaped, slowly going down.
Imran, please stop using expression like open mouth or something. Just make it a bit more like, I don't know, something else.
This is Imran, a Tech Wizard. I'm going to showcase the journey of a relationship coach, how she is taking her business online and what are the struggles she is having and how she is overcoming those. Hope you guys will enjoy the process and have some fun. Also, in the meantime, you'll learn some great techniques how to take your coaching business online. So stay tuned and keep watching.
Hello, Imran. How are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
Today I am the fairy of flowers, as you see my outfit, and I'm all like purple or mauve. I don't know exactly, but I just wanted to try something different. I think it's good also for my audience. And by the way, I want to ask you some things about the sales funnel today. What do you
Okay.
think is the best practice to attract customers with sales funnels? Can you explain a bit, please?
Okay. Let's say you are a lady, right?
Of course, can't you see that?
Yes, I can see that. So how you attract a guy?
By just being myself.
Exactly. That's the best way to attract clients. Apart from that, we can also follow some specific tools, methodology, technique to attract new clients. But we need to be a bit careful. Is it we want to attract clients through some technique or some methodology, or we want to make the process easier and smoother for our future and upcoming client to reach out to us and get our service? We need to be a bit clear. Sometimes we fall in the trap of sales funnel. Sounds very sexy, but some people misuse. They use it at clickbait, like okay, fall in the trap. It doesn't seems like it's sales funnel. It's like a sales
It,
trap.
it sounds like fishing. You go fishing, you have to
Ah, yeah,
pay.
same thing. Yeah, so baiting thing also in fishing. So some people use it as sales trap. So once you fall in that, some people also remove
Then
their.
you get to take fish, you know what I mean?
Yes. So that's why. But if we use the sales funnel conscious way, it's super cool. It's not mainly focusing only for attracting client, but also allowing our future client or our existing client to coming to us to get our service and change their life. We need to think that way. How efficiently we can improve and enhance the onboarding process, how they can get our service, how they can know about us more, and they know our true self as long as you are a really good
Yeah,
coach.
the theory is always nice, a lot of blah blah. But I
Yes.
just want to start with the easy variant. I like the easy stuff, fast and
Okay.
easy.
So
And
easy
let me
stuff
start with that.
is okay. So let's say it's funnel. Funnel start with a wide open mouth and then it's narrowed down. This is the best thing. It's common practice everywhere. You just search on Google sales funnel, you'll see lots of that narrow shaped, slowly going down.
Imran, please stop using expression like open mouth or something. Just make it a bit more like, I don't know, something else.
Okay. Okay, I'll try to be a bit different. Okay, so let's say you also, first of all, you will attract lots of people. Okay, how you'll attract lots of people? You can't just be there and people will feel attracted, because it's not about you are you are a coach, so you want to sell your service, not yourself, not your beauty. It's always good to have a good look as you to get the
Oh,
initial
thank you, thank you.
impression.
Of course, I don't sell my beauty. My beauty is
Yeah,
my possession.
yeah. But at the beginning, you need to create the awareness that who you are. Okay, you need to present yourself. Okay? I'm a coach. I'm expertise in this business matter. That's my story. You need to build the trust also during the process. You need to be vulnerable, so people can be more vulnerable to you. They feel like, okay, she's just another human. She's not just that so-called. People think like, okay, I'm a coach, so I'm different. I'm God. I'm a goddess or something like that. People all have that tendency, but you need to present them to, yes, you want to
Yes,
ask.
yes, you are right. I do not like this term goddess or something. It's like big ego. So they cannot be
Yeah,
coaching.
so
They have big
we'll
egos.
make sure we are not falling in the trap of ego. Yes, continue what you
I
want to say.
want to ask you something. So, when you were saying present your story and who you are and your expertise, what is the best way where to do it? On the social media platform, on your business page, on your personal profile, on your Insta? Where is it the best place? Or you need
Okay,
to a group, separate group for that?
okay. Facebook personal profile is more, I'll say, recommend to people, because you will have most people human interaction through the profile. You can keep as your supportive element your business page, because when you run Facebook ads, then you need to have a page so that you can add that page to your business manager, ad manager, and you can run some ads. Through ads also you can. I'm going first with the organic process. Maybe later in another call I'll go with the paid version of sales funnel. This time I'm going organic process. So you'll go to your Facebook profile, you'll share your story, your expertise, your realization, your downloads, or whatever thing you feel like to share. Only aim to raise or establish yourself that, okay, I am the person. I know something about that matter. I know something about relationship. I know something about burnout. So all your activity on your social media, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram will be similar with that. All the video will come similar. So people one time, two time, after five, six time, they already understand like, okay, Victoria is that. Victoria is knowledgeable on that particular matter. So then they will understand. Now,
Okay.
yeah,
One question. How
yes,
often you should post this? One time per day, every couple of days, because I think this is also important.
okay. You just need to be normal. Don't be like a robot. Oh, I need to post every time, that time, that time. Just post something that makes you feel good. Yes, of course, consistency is good, regularity is good, but don't beat yourself. Someday you may not feel like to share something. You can post something funny. Still, that means like you are showing up on social media. You're not hiding yourself. You may not in a mood. You may not have you not may feel inspired to share something really cool, but you can come up with something easy. Maybe with your heart, you can share a photo. That's cool. It's nice. Family time. People need to feel you are human. You are not there to sell. You are also there to enjoy your life. Also help other people. That's the basic thing many coaches are missing. Okay, so you need to be
Yes,
there.
so you mean every couple of days I can post this relevant content, but also I can post meanwhile things from my life, right?
Yeah, yeah, something about your people also need to know like your past. It doesn't need to be a big essay or 3,000 word paragraph or some blog post in a same post. You can cut it into half, so people feel it. People needs to also digest the whole thing. You can't just put everything in one post. So people don't have that also attention span. So after a few minutes, they also get distractions. We also have that. Also, some people have family, their partner. Also, they need to go for shopping, also cooking. So you need to fill them when you post something. Keep it short, keep it simple. So people don't like to read anything around 3 to 5 posts. Yes, but once in a while, you'll also post some very long posts that will take 10 minutes, 15. That's good to have like at least twice a month or at least once a month. That will be it's like thought provoking and people will go deeper into you, they'll understand you more. So that sort of post you can post once in a while, but not every day. And it's not also possible to write such really good, thought provoking, valuable, and really perfect, near perfect post every day. So it's good to, if you can make it, post it. But I haven't met any people who are so good. Every day they are coming with
I
really
posted
cool
them
things.
around. I already posted one with a couple of pages, like to learn if you are visual or auditive, and they like it. But today you have a very colored language. You just say that if they are into you, it's like, come on, if they are into what I teach.
Okay.
Colored
Maybe.
language. Yeah, very colored today. Is it
Okay.
because of my outfit or what?
Who knows? Who knows? Who knows?
Mm.
Okay. Now, as we started presenting yourself, establishing yourself that you are that, so then you need to start sharing some freebies. You already know that you are also doing that. Like, okay, free clarity call or a free webinar. That's the so you are niching it, you're filtering. Okay, it's like a filter. You're pouring lots of things, and then you are adding lots of value. Now you also need to get them who are really interested in your service. Your ultimate goal is what? So that you can give them more personalized help, because not everybody needs your help, but some people needs to know that they are looking for help, they're looking for solution which you are expert. So that's how you'll know. You can't just ask everyone. So you need to niche down, filter out some specific group of people. Hey, I'm offering a free webinar in this coming week, who wants to be there? And you'll see 10 people, 15 people, 20 people will show their interest. And maybe if you are lucky, you can get 12 people will present on the webinar. And that's where you'll know they're really serious. They want to change their life. They want to make a shift in their life. And that time they will also feel so connected with you. And then they'll ask you questions, lots of questions. You will see them when you'll have the QA session within your webinar. And that means what? That's time you can say, yes, I understand. You can give them some summary and short brief about their question, some feedback, and then you can, that come the tricks. People use that. It's very common practice. Okay, I understand you are going through that, but I already said that. But if you want to get more further help, why don't you set a clarity call or free discovery call or free clarity call? Then you'll drop the link in the webinar, or also you can offer them, hey, I'm offering a free 5 video or meditation or free how to get rid of burnout, how to attract your uh, dream partner. I'm offering a free ebook. Would you like to get that? And then you can create some landing page and share with your audience. And people will see people are signing up, getting their ebook, and also you can send them the next week to them. Hey, how do you find my ebook about burnout? And the people who read, they will reply, oh, it was nice, or it is not good, or something. They'll say something. Or if they don't read that after your follow-up email, they'll, oh yes, I registered the book, but I didn't have the time to read. But it's just 5 pages, so maybe I can give a try, maybe this weekend. So they'll write that. And then once in a while, you'll feel that. After 10 people, one people will feel so interested that yes, Victoria, it really you really understand your topics really resonate with me. Maybe I need to get a coaching. In the meantime, you also share somewhere every week you need to promote yourself somewhere without being so how to say, like pushing for sales, selling without sales. Maybe in another call we can have a
Yes,
social.
I think this would be a great idea. I think
Yeah,
everybody want to know to sell
yeah,
without selling, you know.
yeah.
Yes.
So that's the
I
thing.
think
So
the ebook stuff, it's a very good idea. I don't have
yeah,
an ebook, but I have some free mini course that they can subscribe. So at the moment, that's fine. And I also offer in my webinar some free exercises, for example, for manifestations
mhm,
or relationship or whatever. Usually around 3 videos that they can watch and they can do their practical exercise. I
mhm,
also tried in the past to do a kind of challenge before the webinar, 3-day challenge, in which I just challenged them to do some exercise pre-webinar. And I saw a lot of interaction. They like it. So it's like you just play some games that you interact with them more.
yeah.
And
Yeah.
it's like they feel that they get value and they know what is all about.
Yeah, it's all about if you give them value, if you give them some chance, some realization, some little bit of aha moment, they'll come back to you. And some you don't know, some people may be following you. In a very good morning, you can get some message like, "Hey, I just transferred some money to your account," or "I just booked your course when we
Yeah,
finish
that's
the
nice.
call."
It was happening to me. Yeah, not very often, but
Yeah.
I had
Yeah.
this and it was
So
very
it's
pleasant.
starting. It's starting. So if one or two people are pouring in, so more people will pour in. So that's the thing. And if you have any further question, you can always message me, and we can have another call. And that's it. Thank you. You are doing
Thank
great.
you, thank you. And let's make the next episode Sale Without Sale.
Yes. Thank you. Have an awesome day.
Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Thanks for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. And if you love to share your experience and share your opinion and how you feel it, please comment below. And if you feel like some of your friends may get benefit from this video, feel free to tag. And yeah, keep in touch and we'll bring so much good content like this. And have an awesome day. Bye.